Oliebollen, a Dutch classic. Let's do it. Special guest today directly from Amsterdam, the Netherlands, Chef Luca. That means Chef Luca, Chef Luca.
Het is bijna weer nieuwjaar. Wat betekent dat? We gaan met z'n allen massaal oliebollen maken. Ik ga jullie vervolgens even alle ingrediënten laten zien.
Ingredient of our delicious recipe.
450 grams of all-purpose flour.
Milk. Oh wait, first I show it, then I talk, right?
450 ml of fresh milk.
Gist. 10 gram.
20 grams of butter.
3 grams of salt.
Suiker. 15.
15 grams of sugar. Supposedly brown sugar, but if it's not available, use the white one.
Don't forget your oil to fry our oliebollen
En natuurlijk heel veel poedersuiker.
and powder sugar.
En dat is het.
And that's it!
And that's it, guys. Super simple. That's it. Typical Dutch recipe, mainly used in the festive season, close to Christmas, New Year. You can find as a street food everywhere.
Oliebollen literally means oil and balls. When the Dutch sailed to America, they bring with them the oliebollen, and then the American did their own version.
And this is Chef Luca.
Ik ben de andere Chef Luca.
And I'm Chef Eileen.
This is Life in Full Flavor, your channel for comfort food.
Vergeet niet te subscriben op de channel.
Please subscribe. Super simple. Before the milk, we put in a bowl the milk with the sugar and the yeast. Remember, temperature of the milk need to be 43 degrees. No more, no less. We need to activate the yeast. After that, in a bowl, we pour our flour. We create a hole in the middle, salt all around, and in the middle we put egg yolk, butter, our milk, combine all together, and that's it, guys.
En dan zou je, als het goed is, deze consistentie moeten hebben.
Don't forget to let it rest at least 1 hour. Need to double the sides. And after 1 hour, we got that. You see that? Double side, triple side, wherever you want, ready for our fryer.
We hebben in Nederland 3 soorten oliebollen. We hebben normaal, rozijnen en appel en kaneel. Vandaag gaan we normaal en rozijnen maken, want dat zijn de bekendste.
As a tools, you need that ice scooper. I bought it in Amazon. Is the best to scoop your dough and dip it in the fryer. I will put the link in bio.
Een tip, vergeet niet je scoop in de olie te dopen, anders gaat het deeg plakken aan de scoop.
And the best moment, time to fry. Enjoy the beautiful oliebollen.
En dan zijn dit je oliebollen. Geniet ervan.
Time for tasting!
Time for tasting, always the best moment. Let's do it. Cheers. You take it the rozijn.
Nice.
Very nice one.
En dat is het.
And that's it.
And that's it, guys. Super simple. That's it. Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and
Subscribe.